How Cog Online Bookmark Manager for Indie Hackers works. CogList AI is an indie hackers community designed specifically for indie hackers and startup founders to explore the full potential of artificial intelligence. One of its standout features is Cog Bookmark, which allows you to create your own private online bookmark system. Let's take a look at how it works on coglist.com. First, log into your account. Once you're in, select a tool that you think will be helpful and navigate to its detailed page. On the review page, you'll notice a bookmarked icon to the right of the title. Just click it, and congratulations, you've saved it. Next, head back to the home page, click the Checkout button in the top right corner. If you see the text change from Public View to Private View, you're all set. Finally, refresh the home page and voilà! All the apps displayed will be the ones you've bookmarked previously. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, CogList AI is always here to support indie hackers. Feel free to adjust any specific phrases or terms further if needed.